To begin, slide the end of the drop cable into the drop cable stripper and remove at least 5 centimeters of the jacket. Unlike other FieldConx connectors, the clip type doesn't require a boot. Insert the fiber into the guide port of the cutting jig. Make sure the cutting jig is partially folded to open the guide port and allow easy insertion. Next, fold the cutting jig inward. Press firmly on the two halves and gently pull the cutting jig away from the drop cable to strip the 250 micron acrylate from the fiber. Clean the fiber with the dust-free wipe. Next, retrieve the cable holder and place the end of the drop cable's outer jacket into the slot with teeth. Firmly press the outer jacket into the slot and lock the latch around it. Extend the cutting jig completely and place the drop cable into it, placing the cable holder into the designated opening. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver, making sure the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the connector until you feel the fibers meet inside. The cable holder should also snap into place in the bottom of the connector. There should be a slight bend in the fiber. This is normal. Close the green covering. Remove the opener. We recommend not discarding the opener as you'll need it for removal or retermination. The assembly is complete.